Today we will be showing you how to replace the IE station lock switch assembly in an IBM 3576 tape library. Please note that the library will need to be powered off for this replacement. Downtime will need to be scheduled with the system administrator prior to powering down the library. The first step will be to determine which IE station has the faulty lock assembly. To do this, navigate to the Library section at the bottom of the operator panel. This is the section where the IE station lock error will be listed. Go into the details of the error and find the location of the faulty IE station that is listed there. If you need help determining which location your faulty IE lock assembly resides in, please see our hardware addressing section at the beginning of this video. Once you have determined the unit that the faulty IE lock switch is in, you will need to power down the library so the switch can be replaced. Push the power button once on the front of the library and let it cycle itself down and power off. Once the library is powered off, go around to the back of the library and flip the switches on both of the power supplies for the unit where the faulty IE lock switch is located. Then, go back around to the front of the library and pull open the IE station where the faulty lock switch is located. If the IE station is locked, you will need to use the manual release. The manual release is located at the bottom of the IE station itself. There is a small hole in which you need to insert a thin screwdriver to trip the lock and allow the IE station to be pulled open. Once you have the IE station open, you will need to also open the main access door. To do this, gently pull on the main access door and it will swing out to the left, and you can open it all the way so that you are able to better see what you are doing. For the next part, you will need a Torx size 10 screwdriver. You will need to hold the IE dust flapper assembly up and out of the way with one hand while taking the screw that holds the IE lock assembly out with the other. Once the screw is out, you will also need to undo the wing clip assembly that holds the ribbon cable in the back of the IE lock assembly. Once this clip is undone, you will be able to remove the faulty IE lock assembly. Take the replacement lock assembly and set it in place, making sure it is flush with the front of the library and sitting down level inside. Insert the screw that holds the lock assembly in place and tighten it down securely. Then, reconnect the ribbon cable at the back of the lock assembly, making sure both sides of the wing clip are snapped securely in place. Close the main access door, followed by the IE station. Go around to the back of the library and flip both power supplies back on that you had shut off earlier. Then go back around to the front of the library and power on the library by pushing the power button once. Once the library is fully initialized, log into the operator panel and verify that the error for the lock assembly is no longer listed under the Library section. In most cases, the error will have cleared itself during initialization. However, this does not always happen 100% of the time. If the error is still listed there, hit the Resolve button next to the error and step through the pages until the end and hit the Close button. Then go into the Operations tab at the top of the operator panel and choose the Shutdown option. From this screen, choose the Restart option to restart the library. Upon restarting the library, the error should not have reappeared. If it does, please power off the library and verify your connections on the replacement lock switch. If this does not fix the problem, or if you have any other issues, please open a ticket through the Rocket Plus customer portal. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.